Lose. Pause and repeat each example. Review the video as many times as necessary in the same as well as different days to achieve perfection. Lose. Lost. Lost. Losing. He lost a fortune in Las Vegas. He was losing money, but he kept gambling. I lost my job last year. I'm still looking for a new one. After Christmas, I always need to lose some weight. Don't lose faith. Keep trying. Have you lost your appetite? Eat something. Lost in translation. We've lost a lot of money. We must hurry up now. This lawyer has never lost a case. Don't lose hope. Things will change. I've lost my keys. Have you seen them? The police chased him, but he managed to lose them. His wife died last year. After his loss, he stopped talking to anyone. The fiscal year ended with heavy losses.